Today we're doing an unboxing and first impression from Iron and Resin. We'll be unboxing their cruiser jacket, which is their wax canvas style jacket. And I'm very excited because I've previously gotten a leather shirtling style B3 jacket from an Iron and Resin and has quickly become my go-to and favorite leather jacket. So when it comes to wax jacket, I'm excited to see what Iron and Resin has to offer. If you guys aren't subscribed to this channel, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And be sure to watch to the end of the video as I'll be putting this jacket on body to give you guys an on-body look of this jacket. You see photos and pictures on the website, but that's with great looking models, perfect lighting, and I'm here to give you an honest look of what this jacket looks like out of the box on an average guy. So without further ado, let's dive into this unboxing. Got my unboxing scissors here. For my previous unboxing experience, Iron and Resin does a really good job with the whole packaging and unboxing experience. They really make it personal. So I'm excited to see if that's consistent with this unboxing or that was just a one-time thing. You see on the top here, you got Iron and Resin's logo. You got a piston and an anchor because they like motorbikes and the ocean. Who doesn't like those things? Well, I'll give you guys the first look of their wax canvas jacket, the Cruiser. You guys ready? Let's go ahead, open this up. What do you guys see? Oh, look at this. All right, so this is the receipt. We don't need that. Comes with this. What is this? Oh, I love stickers. Stickers are cool. Iron and Resin Adventure. I'm gonna put this on my water bottle. Comes with a postcard, and this is what I'm talking about. They give you this postcard, but also has your name on it. Customer name, Michael. Thank you for shopping with us. We appreciate your business. Please let us know if there's anything else we can do for you. It says carefully packaged and shipped by S. I don't know who S is, but thank you, S, for writing my name, making this whole unboxing experience really personal. Love the packaging. S, you deserve a raise. If you're listening, Iron Resin, S deserves a raise. Ooh, look at how this jacket is shipped and boxed and packaged. It's like an old school parcel. You can see it has this string. You can just pull out. Look at that. Love the packaging. It's like you're getting this old school parcel. Iron Resin's recently started their YouTube channel and they have a series called Shop Talk where they talk about different products on their channel, and they recently talked about this jacket. The Cruiser, where the owner of Iron and Resin designed this jacket and it's his favorite jacket. So I'm excited to see how comfortable, how convenient wearing this jacket is. But I gotta say, this unboxing experience is, I've never seen anything like this before. Alright, love the string, the attention to detail, writing my name on the card, how neatly packaged it is. On the YouTube channel they said upon first getting this jacket, it is a stiff jacket. You could literally have it stand on its own on the table just because how stiff it is, but within a few days it should wear in and be a lot more comfortable. Look at that. Look at this jacket. This jacket, the Cruiser jacket, comes in 3 different colors. It comes in field tan, olive, and black. Those are the 3 colors. I got the field tan color. Look at this. This is just nice and sturdy. Let's go ahead and open it. Wow. Wow. This jacket really is stiff. Look at that. Kind of just stands there. I got the size large. You guys don't know, I'm 180 pounds, 5'8". I got size large. I personally love my jackets a little bit bigger, a little bit more room, easy to move. I don't like jackets when they are nice and fitted and it's hard to cross my arms, raise my hand, do any of the functional things. So I personally got a large, but we're gonna put it on body and see how the fit is. I know sizing with jackets could be a big issue, but I got size large and we'll see how it is. The owner of Iron Resin, Tom, designed this jacket And it is, oh wow, this is really heavy duty of a jacket. Love the field tan color. Look at this jacket, it is nice and sturdy. This is made with 14.75 ounces of waxed cotton canvas for the exterior, so really heavy duty. One thing I really like about this wax jacket that I haven't seen on many other wax jacket is that they have buttons. Not only do they have buttons, but they also have a zipper. I don't think I've seen that on any wax jacket, is having buttons and zipper at the same time. They chose to use high quality zippers, Talon zippers. These are two-way Talon zippers, which like I said, I've never seen zippers on a wax jacket before, especially this heavy duty of a canvas jacket. 14.75 ounces of waxed cotton canvas. Let's see the inside of it. Ooh, it is nice and lined. Look at the material. It's not just one single bland color, but they actually got pattern and designs. I really like this. It's definitely a jacket that's gonna keep you dry and keep you warm. On the side, on the left pocket here, you got Iron and Resin's logo, which is pretty cool. Another thing is they have two pockets up top, two button snap pockets, and two open pockets on the side. All right, are there any inside pockets? Ooh, there are inside pockets. What? Okay, this is another thing I haven't seen on other wax jackets before, is that there's an interior pocket which has a snap to put things in. And on the button snap, it has Iron and Resin's logo with the piston, with the anchor, and you got another smaller pocket here. And on the left side of the jacket, you got another pocket, but this one is a zipper pocket. Wow. Put things in, make sure it's secure. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that was just talking about the specs and the details of it. Let's go ahead and put this jacket on, see the comfort, the sizing, the fit of this jacket, all right? Ooh. Ooh, how does this jacket look, guys? Upon first wearing it, I gotta say, this is a very stiff jacket, but like Tom said in his video, after wearing it a few days, this jacket really forms to your body, becomes a lot more comfortable to wear. So that's something I'll be making an update video on that to see what it's really like after a few days, maybe a week of wearing it. Ooh. Alright, so on the cuffs here, you also get two button snaps depending on the size of your wrist. That's another attention to detail I really like about it. It fits great. Oh yeah, a little bit stiff, but overall it feels really good. I'm excited to break in this jacket, wear it a little bit, make it form to my body. Oh yeah, another thing I really notice about this jacket, there are gusset shoulders on the back, which makes moving so convenient. I hate wearing jackets where I cannot cross my arms or stretch my arms out to drive, you know? So some of the features I've noticed I haven't seen on other wax jackets, like I said, has the zippers and the button snaps, a two-way zipper. They use Talon zippers. If you guys don't know, Talon zippers are some of the highest quality zippers in the industry, so they use high quality materials. You guys might be wondering, how much does this wax jacket cruiser cost? With the 14.75 wax cotton canvas, with the two-way Talon zippers, with inside pockets, with the button snaps, all these great features, it must cost a lot, right? Well, not really. A lot of wax jackets can cost anywhere from $400 to $500. However, this jacket is only $299, which is actually a really great deal for any wax jacket. If you search wax jackets, they're all gonna cost anywhere from the $350 range and up. So for this jacket, having that many great features, only costing $299 is a really good deal. If you guys are looking for a good wax jacket, I'd highly recommend checking out Iron and Resin. And like I said, they do have a lot of other great products that I highly recommend checking out. They are an underrated brand that has great products for a really good price, and that's a brand that I want to support, and they're also based in California, so definitely go ahead and check them out. Without further ado, let's go outside and give you guys the full on body look of the cruiser jacket from Iron and Resin. You guys ready? Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed that on-body look of the cruiser jacket from Iron and Resin. I really like this jacket and the fit is amazing. Gotta say the zippers really zip up really nice and smoothly with the Talon zippers. I love the button snaps. I love this heavy duty wax canvas cotton jacket. If you guys wanna see a comparison video of Flint & Tinder's famous flannel lined wax trucker jacket compared to Iron and Resin's cruiser jacket, be sure to like this video. They're both very similar jackets. They both have the field tan color, both wax jackets, both great jackets in my opinion. But if you want to see a comparison, be sure to drop that like. If you guys aren't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button as well. That's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.